Introducing the sleek and stylish 2024 Opel Mokka SC1, 100 horsepower, PET 6SP4 door in striking black. This versatile MPV boasts a 1.2 litre engine, manual transmission, and a host of impressive features including air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and much more. With top-notch safety features like ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, the luxury trim and chrome package add a touch of sophistication to your ride. Rest assured, knowing that this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit opelnaas.ie for more information on this must-have vehicle.